Hey all, welcome back to Fire and Water Cooking. I am Darren, and today we're going to discuss our own seasoning blends. Fire and Water Cooking Edible Creations seasoning blends using black garlic made right here in Texas. Alright guys, I'll be back and I'll show you just what these are and what you can use them.
Smoking, grilling, getting hot and hotter, sous vide and chilling from Fire and Water.
Hey all, welcome back to Fire and Water Cooking. I am Darren, and today it's a shameless plug, guys. I'm literally here to talk about my seasonings that I put together, all using domestic made black garlic, which if you're not familiar with black garlic, it is a really awesome seasoning. It has an umami, smoky flavor that regular garlic doesn't have. It's made by actually aging garlic in heat for at least 60 days. All of ours is 60 days aged black garlic made in Texas. So if you haven't had it yet, guys, you need to try black garlic, and our seasonings all contain black garlic in them, which makes them a really unique flavor profile for sure. First off, I want to talk about our all-purpose, which you can pretty much put on anything, but it's really good on beef and pork and chicken, of course. But you can use this pretty much on everything. I have two sizes available. One is our regular 6-ounce bottle, and then we have a large size for those of you that use this a lot on larger pieces of meat like brisket or meatloaf or just chuck roast, things like that. All right guys, like I said, the all-purpose blend is actually perfect on beef. As you can see, some beef cheeks right there that I did recently and some picanha roasts that we did, but they're perfect for beef, pork, and chicken. Next up is our really unique seasoning that actually got this whole seasoning line kicked off, is our blueberry and black garlic seasoning, which mixes a lot of sweet, savory components, including some herbs in there, but very unique, very good on poultry, seafood, chicken wings, pretty much anything. You can even put this on ice cream, guys. It's got the really good umami kick with the sweetness and the savory all rolled into one. Blueberry and black garlic, highly recommend it. Here's an example, guys, of using the blueberry and black garlic on a rib cook. These were St. Louis style ribs that I cooked a while back using just the blueberry and black garlic seasoning, and it turned out fantastic. Then of course we have our black garlic and coffee seasoning, which mixes espresso coffee with the black garlic and some other seasonings as well that really complement beef, of course, steak, brisket. I like to use the all-purpose and the black garlic and coffee mixed together when I'm doing briskets or any kind of roast or steak at all, because the coffee actually enhances the beefy flavor, if that sounds right at all. All right, all the black garlic and coffee seasoning is great on beef, and I've used it plenty of times, and I'm also mixing it with the all-purpose, but that coffee kick on brisket, tri-tip, just regular steaks is amazing. You need to try it. Next up is our black garlic and herb compound butter seasoning, which is, in the last few years, there's been a lot of insurgencies of butter flavored rubs. And I really got the idea with that. I tried a couple of those and I really liked adding that butter powder into a seasoning, and decided to make my own with lots of herbs and the black garlic in there, of course, and the butter flavoring. But this was really good on seafood, really good on poultry. I use this on chicken all the time, and turkey, duck even, but it's also great on vegetables as well. It's really, you can put it on pork chops, things like that. It's very good overall seasoning, and it's very different, and it's got that buttery flavor to it in the back of your throat, and also the black garlic really gives that an umami kick. Like I said, guys, the black garlic and herb compound butter is perfect on all types of pork chops, roasts of any kind. This is a porchetta, but also on chicken, turkey, seafood. I've used it on shrimp several times, lobster. Really good stuff, guys. You need to try it. And this is my newest seasoning right here, guys. It's the black garlic and honey, or black and gold honey barbecue seasoning. Took me a while to develop this because I wanted to put out a barbecue seasoning that was a little different than everybody else's out there. Not just salt, pepper, and garlic, and sugar, and salt, and all that. I wanted to have something that was really unique. So I created this seasoning for, pretty much you can put it on everything, guys. Anything you're gonna put on a smoker or grill. It's got honey and brown sugar and black garlic and salt and pepper, of course, but some other seasonings in there. Mustard powder. So what I call this is a combination of the Carolina barbecue, Tennessee barbecue, and KC, Kansas City barbecue, all rolled into one seasoning. So that's what makes it a pretty good seasoning for pretty much anything you want to put on the grill. Really great overall seasoning with that sweet, savory, black garlic, umami kick to it, but really great barbecue profile. Like I said, guys, this is a great overall barbecue seasoning. Here you see it on some pulled pork. Check out that bark. It was awesome. Turned out really good. Produced a really good bark. Nice and sweet and savory aspects were all there with that umami kick. Used it on some turkey breasts and chicken as well. Great overall barbecue rub. And that's it, guys. Make sure you check them out. I took a lot of time to develop these. Put a lot of test marketing in them. These are made not in my house, but they're made from a commercial producer in the US that puts these together for me. So check them out below, guys. You can see them in the links down below on my website. You can also check them out on walmart.com and amazon.com. I also have them on there as well. But really, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And check these out. I really think you'll like these. They're very different than anything else you'll find on the shelf right now in any barbecue store or even in the grocery store. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and check them out. Thanks. Thanks for staying to the end, guys. Now, if you click on the link below, it goes right to my Shopify store. You can get all 5 of these seasonings for just $39.99 with free shipping to anywhere in the USA. Thanks for watching, and thanks for trying our seasonings from Fire and Water Cooking Edible Creations.